Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the MHCARE KF94 from Amazon. Very excited to see so many KF94s on Amazon. Let's get this thing in the clamper and see how it tests. Now, KF94 is a Korean format that is highly regulated by the Korean FDA. All I know about it is that the masks have to be made in Korea, and the machine that we're testing in here, which does the N95 test, these masks should roughly pass at about 94%. I'm going to let her rip while we start looking at the mask. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. I'll put a link there if you want to know more about the N95 test and how we do these things. And let's talk about MHCARE. Oh, MHCARE, medical health care. You were just really kind of on the nose, isn't it? So, KF94s recently started exploding on Amazon, which is great. Gives me a lot more masks to test, and honestly, they are great masks. For the most part, filtration efficiency seems to be very, very high. But what ends up happening is that the breathability is actually very low. One thing that is interesting about this mask, though, that is a little bit different, most KF94s, and this is another brand, have this MFDS logo on here, which is the logo for the Korean FDA, and I'm not seeing it on here. If you can read Korean, let me know. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I have yet to have a fake KF94 yet, though. Maybe this will be the first. Let's try the ear loops out. Yeah. So, for the most part, I found that the KF94s don't have incredibly solid ear loops, but I don't think any of them are going to come off on your face. This is a little bit of a different design, though, than I'm used to seeing. I feel like I can understand, I know all of the patterns of what the machines look like. I've tested so many of these now. Look at that. Look like a ninja surgeon. I don't really look like a ninja, but I want to, so that's why I'm saying it. If I say it enough, maybe people will believe it. Wow, look at that Lloyd. He looks like a ninja. Nope. Oh, that doesn't smell great. It smells like a recently cleaned bowling alley. Yeah, it's a little stronger than I want it to be. All right, so claims to be a KF94. Doesn't have the Korean symbols for KF94, which is the first time I've seen that. Smells like a used or a cleaned bowling alley, but does it protect you? Let's see. It's a first. It's a first. It's a first. The first fake KF94 that we've had. Now, you can get, look, I'll put a link to all the Amazon masks we've tested on Amazon, or all the KF94s we've tested on Amazon, and what you're going to see are a lot of those things are really good. Like, what did we tested? 10, 20 of these today? And every single one has been 98, 99%, except for this one. 78. Ooh. All right. What's the name of this even? Oh. And this one was the medical healthcare, right? MHCARE? MHCARE? Medical healthcare? More like medical healthcare. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this. I do appreciate you. I appreciate your time and attention. I would love if you guys have a mask that I have not tested, to put a link in the comments, or you can send it to me. I'll also put my actual address. You can send me the masks, and I will test them. Thank you guys so much again, and I will catch you on the next test.